Hi, my name is Dr. Pete Clapper, founder of Forces of Nature, plant biologist. I started Forces of Nature in 2000 with a mission to bring certified organic medicine to the public. In 2011, we accomplished this mission when we were issued our drug manufacturing license by the Food and Drug Branch. As we are an organic handler licensed by the USDA, we therefore then became the first company in history to be FDA licensed to manufacture medicine as well as USDA organic. So what does this mean, certified organic medicine? What we do is we blend certified organic homeopathic medicines with certified organic essential oils. I have been studying medicinal plants for over 20 years. During this time, I examine the phytochemicals within the plants. We know, for example, that each plant, each herb has a wide variety of phytochemicals within them. They produce these chemicals as a matter of survival. When a plant gets sick, it certainly can't get up and go to the doctor or go to the hospital. As a result, it produces its own phytochemicals internally to repel fungus, bacteria, viruses, etc. And it does so with incredible effectiveness. So, for example, if we examine the geranium under a chromatograph, we see it'll spin out to have several hundred different chemicals within it. The same thing with the lavender, same thing with the palmarosa. And what I found is that using certified organic materials, these phytochemicals are heightened. The essences and the vibrations of these particular chemicals are really amplified. So this becomes very important, therefore, to use certified organic materials. I've traveled the world to source the best materials available. For example, Forces of Nature secures its palmarosa from the Himalayan mountains north of Kathmandu in Nepal. They produce about 50 or so liters. We buy it all. We have materials that nobody on the planet has. We get our tea tree from the Nambucca Valley in Australia from Theo. He'll produce a barrel. We buy it all. The lavender comes from Bannon Plateau in southern France. Our rosehip seed oil comes from the Andes Mountains in Chile. The helichrysum from Corsica. The Tuyox and Entalis from the Rocky Mountains in Canada, and on and on. I met Dr. Mary McKenna when I was studying plant medicine in southern France. Dr. McKenna is a naturopathic doctor who has a master's in homeopathy. She makes all our homeopathic medicines at our FDA registered lab in California. The herbs that we use are all certified organic. What this means then is that we are the only company in America, possibly the world, that manufactures certified organic homeopathic medicine. This is a very important component to what we're doing because the homeopathics capture the essence of the herbal materials. It's the vibration. They support immune parameters, whereby the essential oils are critical because their antimicrobial properties are able to defend pathogens. The homeopathics become important to support immune parameters. So it's this dual modality approach that makes our products so very special. It's this blending that we do, blending the homeopathic medicines with the essential oils, that provides this incredible dual modality approach to healing. This is what allows us to actually cure different ailments, reverse the condition in their entirety, because we know that the body itself also is a chemical making machine along with the plants. We have this thing called an immune system, and it works great. We produce phytochemicals, we produce immune cells, we produce killer T cells, we produce killer B cells. The plants do the same thing. So we're working in harmony with the plant. Nature designed us, so therefore nature also cures us. As a result, these particular medicines are very dynamic in their approach to healing. So it's the synergistic effect of blending the certified organic homeopathics with the certified organic essential oils that provides this very dynamic level of healing. Once the products are complete, the blending is done, bottled, labeled, we then sent a sample of each batch to an outsourced lab where it goes through a microbial testing. This is per over-the-counter standards and FDA regulations. Once the test comes back and we pass, then the materials are released and products into commerce. I want to share more information regarding the importance of using certified organic materials when using the essential oils and homeopathics medicinally. We know that the skin is the largest organ of the body. When you're sick or you're suffering, the last thing you want to do is introduce any type of materials that are chemicals, that have been treated with chemicals or sprayed, because this will just make you sicker. As a result, the certified organic standards are strictly maintained at Forces of Nature. And also keep in mind that the skin is lipophilic, meaning that it is fat soluble. When you apply A topical remedy to the skin, it will absorb into the cell membranes, in particular a natural remedy, and into the bloodstream through topical application. So this is also why we find it very important to maintain these certified organic standards. It's also healthier for the planet, because we know with a healthy planet, it's a healthy people. So it is all connected. All this healing, all this well-being brings about this well-being into the planet and to people. At Forces of Nature, we are dedicated for the public good. We believe in giving back. As a result, we donate a portion of our profits to various orphanages throughout northern Thailand, in particular Nikki's House, which houses over 100 children with HIV. I've been working with them for over 10 years. We also believe in donating to environmental causes as well as supporting environmental causes. We thank you for listening, and I wish you good health.